The tradition is that every New Year's Eve, my mother would cook ham, collard greens, black-eyed peas, and Johnny cakes, which represent health, wealth, and wisdom. And it dates back to like, I don't know when, pre-Civil War, and when the northern troops came through the South and pillaged it. The only thing that was left was collard greens and black-eyed peas. That's all they left them with. Little did they know, though, that it was going to turn into a staple that we celebrate every New Year's Day now. So I have chiffonade collard greens, beautiful, julienne onion, so nice. We have apple cider vinegar, crushed red pepper, we have salted pork, and never, can't forget, the Dirty Girl rub. Love it. In my household, it was always said that black-eyed peas translated to health, but I think that's just because my mom wanted me to eat a lot of black-eyed peas. But I think traditionally, it is a coin thing. So these are ingredients for the cornbread. We have vanilla, soft butter, cornmeal, flour, salt, sugar, nutmeg, buttermilk, and 4 eggs. So cornbread represents gold. It was invented by the Native Americans, but made popular by Southerners. When wheat was rare, they used cornmeal instead of wheat. Let's check out our collard greens and see how they're doing. They look great. And I wish y'all could smell this. This is so, so delicious. So I'm putting about a tablespoon's worth of the batter, making a cake-like patty out of the batter, straight into the cast iron skillet. We're gonna let these cook for about 4 minutes aside, 5 minutes aside, and then we're gonna flip them. All right, so we've got some nice chops. I got them from our local butcher shop. He did a great job on these things too. They look great, great, great. Yeah, hitting it with some Ron's espresso rub. So traditionally, you would cook a baked ham for the New Year's Day meal, but my family's a grilling family, so we always would grill pork chops. And what better grill to use than a Rec-Tec for your pork chops? Looks like we got a lot of health, wealth, and wisdom here. This came out great. It looks so good. We've got our coin, we've got our gold, and we've got our cash. Oh my gosh, this came out awesome. Oh, I'm gonna make me a big plate. This is totally a dish to make Mom proud. I wish you guys could be here to try some of this. It's so good. Oh yeah. New Year's is all about new beginnings. It's all about friends, family coming together and looking to the future. This meal right here covers all that. I'm Chef John, and from Rec-Tec Grills, we want to wish you a Happy New Year's.